Hello, Sadie girl. It's been a little bit. I know you've been stuck at that location where we ended episode number 31 for a little bit.
Hey, S10!
Today, we are joined by the Noob Films. We are going to continue our hunt for the new wolf variants today.
Hey, S10, look how quick Roger is.
Oh, goodness.
It's a bit too quick.
He's the Flash version of a camel.
So, Austin, you'll probably want a horse.
The camel version of the Flash.
So we will be working on finding all the new wolf variants, and I have a little guide. So, Austin, over here. Where are you? Get a horse. So the wolves we need to look for. Do you think it's better? So we need the rusty wolf, which can be found in a jungle vine. A spotted wolf can be found in the savannah play something. The black wolf can be found in an old growth pine tree. The striped wolf can be found in wooded badlands. Snow wolf in snowy groves. The Shin wolf can be found in a snowy taiga. The wood wolves can be found in a forest biome. The chestnut wolf can be found in old growth. So, do you want to do this in order of the list?
Sure.
So first we need to find a jungle vine. Okay, there's one about 700 blocks away.
Okay, I'm trying to get Winston out of here. Horses not fit through fence gates?
Guess not. But I found another way out. Ugh. Alright. Ah! God, Roger, what are you doing? Roger, stop being an idiot! Roger! You know what? Roger. Alright, so how do we get to the rust biome?
Come on, Sadie, let's go.
So, locate jungle. Alright, is it this way? Yes.
I believe it's a sparse jungle.
Well, according to the guide, it says jungle vines. So I guess we'll find a sparse jungle. Sparse jungle. Alright, yeah, it's still the same coordinates. 180. Austin, I'm at the bridge.
I'm trying to get to you. Come on, Winston. You can't get out. Winston can't get out.
Look at me! Look at me, you idiot! Oi! Alright.
Come on, Sadie.
Wait, where'd Roger go? There you are! Roger! The lazy guy. Alright, so yeah, let's head. There should be a jungle on the other side. Four, so shouldn't be that far away. 300 blocks.
I'm a little bit behind.
That's okay. I'm stuck in some trees anyways. Ah!
I see you.
357, so should be somewhere this way. So I need to get to this way, I think. Sorry.
I actually saw some rusty wolves. in my episode.
Oh, I think I may have seen the jungle. I don't know. Oh crap! Water! Oh! Crap! Oh, whoa! Oh crap!
Excuse me, piggies.
Alright, gonna need to go on a boat. Give right films, let's go, cherry boat.
Oh, great.
Come on, Roger.
I don't know how I'm going to get Winston and Sadie there.
Oh, I see the jungle. Roger behind me? Roger!
Winston.
Roger!
Yeah, Roger's here. Roger and Sadie are here with me.
I know.
Roger, Sadie, and Winston.
So I'm there you are. Roger! Actually, we can probably go... Oh, wait, I think I know a way we can go. Oh, wait.
Come on, Winston.
So if we... Let's go this way. Ugh. Where are my shears? Oh, wait. I could have just gone this way. Thanks for telling me! Ah! This is painful! Ugh.
Sadie, where are you?
Maybe... Ah! Well, that was a big jump, buddy!
This is annoying.
I know. I don't think there'll be so many leaves. You know what?
Oh, I'm stuck.
Whoa. Come on, Roger. Roger. Ah. How is a normal exploring episode this painful?
Sorry, Winston.
Roger! Get up, you! Are you stupid, Roger? Just... Roger!
Oh, goodness. I don't know if we can make that jump.
Roger, you are such an idiot! Finally at the jungle. Oh, pandas! Well,
I'm way behind.
Well, I found some pandas.
Okay, I found it. It's just getting over there.
Where did you come from?
Where what? Where did you come from?
3 emeralds for blue eyes, you suck! Ah, crap! Hey! Stop spitting on me!
I have to do this the other or craziest way possible.
Where the heck are you?
I'm stuck, daggone it! Come on, Winston.
Oh wow, you are nowhere near me. Great, now I've lost Roger. Now I lost Roger because you were completely in the wrong spot. Well, I found Roger. Wait, over here.
Come on, Sadie, let's go. Ah!
Alright.
Well, heads up next time.
Sorry, alright, Austin. Put your horse on the lead. Teleport to me. I only teleported like 100 blocks or something because I couldn't find a way out of the bamboo. Oh! I mean, that's not a wolf, but I found a jungle pyramid. You don't find those often.
I hope Sadie teleports to me. There she is. Come on, Sadie.
You don't see a jungle pyramid often. Ah! Anything good in here? Ooh, some armor trims. Nah. Oh wait, where's the secret entrance? There's a secret in here, isn't there?
Sadie, where are you? Sadie.
cow? Nope, don't need a cow. Oh, yes. Austin! Austin!
Oh, wow.
Yes.
I wish I had some bones. I do.
I have a couple of bones. I'm gonna keep the... wait. Come on. Come on.
Got him. Got her.
Yes, I got one. Ooh, sweet. All right, so that's one down. Let's try to find the spotted wolf, and then we'll end this episode. Okay?
The spotted wolf. Which one is? Where's that located at?
A savannah. So, trigger home, please. Yes, he followed me. I'm just doing this in order of my guide. So,
Trigger.
savannah.
Oh, where'd he go? Oh, there he is. Good boy.
So,
I gotta go get Sadie now.
locate biome a savannah.
You can't forget that Winston and Roger are somewhere in the jungle.
Yeah, I have the coordinates for them. This isn't a very good one.
Armadillos!
Woof. Spotted wolf.
Here, Wolfie!
Did your other wolves follow you?
They're back at home.
Ah.
Sadie and the new one are back at home. I'm gonna have to put all my animals in my barn.
Yeah.
'Cause,
Hello, llamas. Have you seen a spotted wolf nearby?
I heard that the Badlands one looks like a hyena.
Yeah, I think I've seen that before. Alright, so, yeah.
Wait, I think I found one.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Oh, there's two here, yes. Nice. Oh, there's a few here. Yes.
I think they spawn in packs of 4 to 8.
Alright. I got one.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, 3 dogs. Alright guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this episode. If you did, then please comment, like, and subscribe, and turn on notifications to never miss a video. And we'll see you guys very soon. Goodbye, and remember,
Lego Show TV is a noob. Lego Show TV is always a noob.
Bye.
Austin's a noob.